I work at Fixably, and at Fixably we believe in order to create an amazing employee experience, we understand what matters to our people most.
I originally joined Fixably because I saw that the repair industry has lots of space for innovation. As a sales engineer, I really love building new solutions and designing them for our customers.
In 5 years, I want to be able to say that we've made the global after-sales business greener and more sustainable by 2 decades. Today's tools, processes, ways of working, integrations and automation levels will have decades to catch up even with the possibilities of current technology.
So my first impression of the company was that everyone is very friendly and relaxed. So when I arrived here, I really liked the atmosphere and I felt very much at home. So it's been very pleasant and great to work at Fixably, so I really enjoy myself here.
It should be an obvious choice for everyone to give a new life to a broken or unused device. Currently at Fixably we are working to change how electronic repair businesses work.
I'm John Davis. I'm a customer success manager here at Fixably. One of the things I really enjoy about Fixably is the culture, just the environment, being able to work with people from all different backgrounds and really be able to help drive the product forward and help our customers find solutions.
Every morning I love to come to office to work with my talented support team who is always finding new ways to help their customers.
I love working with my colleagues and making relationships with new customers.
Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a software developer. We have really safe environment here and it's really easy to share your ideas, and also I feel really respected as a professional.
At Fixably, we embrace diversity and we have talented people from all around the globe.
I feel really happy to work at Fixably and I can feel the team work really well. We are always supported together and I am always excited to go to work and meet my team.
After 21 years of experience in after sales, I like to join Fixably team or Fixably family because I feel it's part from my original job and can make more contribution together.
I started using Fixably as a customer back in 2019 and very quickly became a fan of the product. The team and the people is what impressed me the most, so much so that I actually joined the team at Fixably starting at the beginning of 2022.
The primary challenge that I love to partake in is understanding a customer's issues, improving them for their actual needs, and being able to deliver that to them.
With our mission to extend the useful lifetime of billions of electronic devices, I know that I'm part of something meaningful as we build a better future for ourselves, our children, our customers, and the whole world.
Tôi làm ở Fixably.
Jag работаю в Fixably.
Työskentelen Fixablylla.
I work at Fixably.
நான் Fixably வேலை செய்கிறேன்.
أنا سعيد أني أعمل في Fixably.
I work at Fixably.
Työskentelen Fixablylla.
Мен Fixably компаниясында жұмыс істеймін.
I work at Fixably.
Ich arbeite bei Fixably.
Jag jobbar på Fixably.
Työskentelen Fixablylla.
Мен Fixablyда жұмыс істеймін.
I work at Fixably.
Anna Stolli at Fixably.
Työskentelen Fixablylla.
Tôi làm việc tại Fixably.
Med Fixably med Gamperton.
Я работаю во Fixably.